Is it coming back?
Big tornado, guys.
Big tornado.
Strong motion.
That's fine. Look at that. Look at that.
Guys, we're gonna have to load up. Last pictures. We're gonna move south and get you guys a better view, okay?